First, insert a rounded rectangle and place it vertically. Duplicate the shape and rotate it horizontally, placing it over the first shape. Select both shapes, align them to the center and middle, and then group them together. Make sure both shapes have no outline. Next, insert a 3D rectangle shape and remove the outline. Position it vertically. Then flip the shape horizontally. Duplicate this 3D shape and place it horizontally on top of the first one. Select both 3D shapes, align them to the center and middle, and group them together. Now, place the first grouped shape on top of the 3D shapes. Apply your preferred fill color to the front shape and a different fill color to the back shape. Flip the vertical 3D shape vertically to achieve the desired visual effect, and then reposition the shapes. Next, fine-tune the placement of both the front and back shapes to create a more polished and realistic look. And group them together. Now, insert a large circle and a small circle. Align them to the center and middle, select both, and use Merge Shapes to fragment. Remove the center circular piece, set the remaining shape to no outline, resize it, and position it on the right side of the plus shape. Repeat the same process using a large and small rectangle. Fragment them, and place the resulting shape at the top of the plus shape. Insert another large and small rectangle. Fragment them as before, and position the shape on the left side of the plus shape. Now, insert a thin rectangle, duplicate it, and rotate one copy to form a multiplication symbol. Place it at the bottom of the plus shape, and group both thin rectangles together. Next, insert the text PlayStation Plus. Set the font to Zernick, change the font size to 54, and make PlayStation bold. Position the text and shapes carefully for visual balance. Apply an appropriate 3D rotation to the plus shape so it closely resembles the original PlayStation Plus logo. Change the background color and set the text color to white for strong contrast. Duplicate the slide and reposition the shapes and text to prepare for morph transitions. And this is the final outcome of the presentation.